What's good, crew? It's your boy D Nice, and today I would like to start by this lady. Boss, say hi.
Oh, hi.
Okay. Anyway, it's your boy D Nice. I would like to start by saying hello, and also today I'm starting. I guess my neighbor wanted me to start a Popeye sandwich. I'm like, all right, sure, whatever. I'm not doing nothing with this Rona. And first up, right here we have the bread, fries, my favorite brand, great value, baby, Walmart. And over here you have your flour. Give me a sec. You have your mixed flour, which has the paprika, cayenne, salt. And over here you have your buttermilk. I added the paprika and a little bit of salt on that one too. Also cayenne too, don't forget. I say cayenne?
Yes.
I did say cayenne. Anyway, I like mine a little spicy. So, here we have four big breasts. See that? Just to show you, I'm doing it from scratch. I'm not opening no box, no chicken tender box, nothing. I'm starting everything fresh. Over here you have the fryer. Also, I got it at Walmart too. 34 bucks. It works good for me. And here, this is gonna be for the chicken. So the minute I drench flour, I'll put it here, ready to fry. All right, I already got my lettuce and tomatoes already sliced. Let's roll. Let's see what we can do. Come on.
Yes.
So first thing first, chicken breast, big breast. I would like to probably cut it in thirds, maybe. Whatever pieces I can get out of it. This is a smart way. That's to save money. So let's start. Butterfly. Boom. On breast. Let's see what I can get from this too. Start. Boom. Wait. Let's finish the rest of these. Butterfly. Cut it in half. Oh, if you didn't need a sharp knife, I got mine from Solatab. Table. Boom. Another one. Hold firm, that way you don't cut yourself. Slide. Boom. Big breast. Ah! I didn't do it. Boom. Whoop. Slowly. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Come to the corner. Boom. Mama, I'm videotaping. Jesus. Slice. Boom. Alright. All that stuff. Oh. right. Wash your hands. I won't need the cutting board no more. Watch that. Kill nobody. Nice. Always clean up after yourself. Less work. Trust me. Ready to get it dry? Same with the knife. Nice and clean. You're done. Alright. Now you got your wet and then you got your dry. You got your chicken. Wait a second. Move the fryer. Boom. That's it. Your little basket. Alright. Now make sure your hands are really dry. So let's go. So over here. You dip it in the butter, the buttermilk. Come closer. Look at that. Okay. And what you do now is throw in the flour mix. Remember, dry, wet. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. So make sure you don't want to mix that because it's going to be a mess. So, boom, boom. Well, Popeyes, put you out of business right now. All right. Then, guess what? I'm not done yet. I will dip it again. I want that crunch. Boom. You can also do fried chicken like this too. It's gonna be awesome. I messed up, y'all. That's cool. This is the reason I say wet, dry, because it start looking like this. So it's cool, whatever. This is just a demonstration. All right, ready to go in the fry. More. Ready. Probably just take you about, say between 5 and 6 minutes. And while you're waiting on that, you just start doing the toasting the bread. Sorry about it. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. While we wait, I'll be back. We're back. So, guys, nice and toast. And over here, this is the chicken. Oh yeah. I'm about to cut it in half. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Then I forgot to do one thing, guys. Give me a sec. My spicy meal. Can't go wrong without this, man. Spicy mayonnaise. I like it really spicy, y'all. I don't know, the household tolerance is not like mine, so they can't handle it. You're the right, DD. Little sriracha.
Wait till they see our last challenge.
Ooh. Oh yeah, I already told them that you won the challenge. A little paprika. Mix. Beautiful, beautiful. Says the same. Not spicy enough. Bring it a little closer. You might make a chipotle sauce or something. Chick-fil-A, no, I'm not stealing your recipe. This is all me. Know what I'm saying? All me. Wait for me. Perfect. Oh, we can't forget about the pickles. Can't forget about the pickles. Jesus Christ. I got the fries working. I got like 3 out on that. And look at that.
This is the waiting for the fries dance.
Yes. Get the salt ready. Boom. I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and start plating. Look at the fries, y'all. Like I said, great value. Walmart. Best way to go. It never failed me. I just love it. Thank you, Walmart. Look at this thing. Look at it. Oh my God. You put this aside. Oh. Your kids will love you. Y'all ready, guys? Oh. Can't forget. Cannot forget. O copão é? O pagalesa. Wow. You know what? One more in the bottom. Bottom bun. Oh, beautiful. Now, let's go. Bring the chicken. I cut it in half because it's pretty big. That's bottom. Ooh. Ooh. Got the lettuce. I almost fell, y'all. Got the bun. That should go less, right? Not me. And there you have it, y'all. My version of Popeye chicken. Know what I'm saying? Bring closer, bring closer. Let's hear the crunch. Does it have a crunch? Let's hear, let's hear. Oh! Oh! This is good. I'm about to open my own Popeye. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment if you need me to do anything else. I ain't doing nothing. I'm bored. Thank you, Corona. But stay safe. Stay safe. Wash your hand 20 seconds. But anyway, stay safe. And see you soon.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.